Right, Simon, let's drive on slowly. That's the Bailey we're saying. That's up at 16k, guys. That's down at Unity Farm. That's in Somerset, yeah. And these are the seasonal touring pictures down on Unity, guys. Okay. If you're interested, ring the office, ask for Sarah, and say you've seen it on Nigel's TikTok, yeah? Yeah, it is now, guys. What do you think? Think, Sam?
I think it's stunning, mate. That tree line there, that is the start of the Somerset Levels countryside. It's a beautiful area.
We're not far from Brean down, yeah?
If you've got pets, Nigel, you know, or young children that want to be out running around in the countryside, this is the perfect place.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Stunning.
Let's go a bit faster, shall we? People think I'm bloody taking videos though. What? Where's the dog walking facility?
So,
it goes for miles, doesn't it?
there's a gateway here.
Yeah.
That will take you straight across to the secret woodland.
Oh, it's nice over there.
Okay, and then you're out in the countryside. I'll get this down to this fence here, and you can see what I'm talking about, Nigel.
It's not that busy either, steady, isn't it? These are more touring pictures, yeah? Yeah, what a beautiful park. Unity Farm, guys, look at that over there as well.
So Nigel, in between here and that hill in the distance,
Yeah.
Brent Knoll, you'll be lucky to walk into one house. We're literally in the middle of the Somerset countryside.
Well, I do like Somerset, you know.
It's beautiful, mate.
I'm from Tenby, but I'm getting used to Somerset now.
Tenby's lovely though, isn't it?
It's nice. This is Simon, by the way, he's a driver.
Hey.
Handsome guy, isn't he?
Chauffeur today.
Handsome guy, isn't he? Right. If you want Simon's number, he'll take you out for a drink, no problem. Let him know when you're free. Anyway, look at that. For seasonal.
All the happy customers, mate. They're down here early season. This is a rally this weekend.
These are all the toilet blocks on, look at the size of them. We've only owned this block 5-6 months and it's getting busier and busy with all the investment, Simon.
It's because everyone's hearing about it, mate, and they want to come down and join us.
So if you want to come down and have a look around, you're more welcome. Come and see Simon. He sells, oh, there's a motorhome there, Simon. They've got motorhomes as well. The security is fantastic as well, isn't it?
24 hours, mate. They're really friendly, really helpful.
I can't believe how nice it is, yeah.
Morning, guys. How are we doing?
Look at that. Pegasus Brandy there. They're a nice van. Bailey make a nice van. What's your favourite van, Mick? Let me know in the comments, guys, when you follow. What's your favourite make? What's yours, Sam?
Mine, well, touring caravan. I like a Buccaneer, mate.
Buccaneer. Who makes that eldest?
Eldest make Buccaneer.
Swift, eldest.
There's a couple down here, look.
There's an eldest. Oh, that's a Buccaneer, is it? Oh, that's another Grande.
That's a Grande. And
Why is they so popular, those Grandes?
they're made in Bristol, just up the road.
You're joking, mate.
And they're a really high volume producer, high quality.
Where's Buccaneer made?
Buccaneers are made up near Newcastle.
Are they?
Yeah, they are.
You used to sell these, didn't you, for a living?
I did.
What,
Lots of happy customers, mate.
wow.
And people seem to make a transition, Nigel. They start with camping when they're young, they buy a tourer when they're a bit older and they've got kids, and then they transition eventually to a static home or a holiday lodge.
Wow, this is the statics, yeah? This is the static side of the park, is it?
Exactly right, mate.
There's not many left, you told me before.
I tell you, we've got about 4 pitches remaining on the main park.
4 left?
4.
Why is
4.
it so popular?
Well, because of all the investment, the new owners have come in, they've made some wonderful changes, they're doing a lot of construction and changes. People can see it and they can believe it now, and they are all wanting to join.
Seeing and feeling it's important.
Your talk is cheap, Nigel, but when they start to see it and believe it, it's a different thing altogether.
I see you making a new development down there as well. I see your new development's nice.
Primrose Way is going to be stunning. Do you want to have a look at it?
Yeah, I think we should have a nose at it, shall we?
I agree. I mean, that, to be fair, 75 pitches going on there, 30 already sold off plan.
30 off plan, that's fantastic.
Yeah. Yeah, it's
What's the problem?
its own private individual place.
What's that there, that thing there? I see that all the time, that dairy thing.
That is a milkshake shack. It's brought down by a local farm shop, and they do chocolate milkshakes and fresh milk, and the punters can come down in the morning and
Whoa.
pick up a drink.
I love that.
Right next to our shop.
Shop. Fish and chips.
And have you had the pizza in there, Nigel?
No, never tried
Oh,
it.
it's lovely pizza, mate. Really, really good. Laundrette there as well.
Oh, there's a van there for sale. We need to do a video of that van after. That Pemberton.
That'll be the next one.
We'll sell that one today. Oh, these are dog friendly. They've got fences, you know.
All the fence plots, mate, are really, really pet friendly.
That's amazing, isn't it? Have you got a dog like?
Well, if your dog is happy, then the owners are happy, right?
Yeah.
Same with children. You've got young children and you're a bit worried about running out into a road. Having a fenced plot here really takes that pressure off.
Does, doesn't it?
Happy kids make happy parents. That's what it's all about.
It's very clean, your park.
We're really proud of it. We're really proud of this. We're really proud of the area. We live in a beautiful part of the world. People that come here once, Nigel, come here time and time and time again, and many end up coming here permanently.
Can we have a look down there?
Of course we can. I see they've got the tarmackers in, look. So the tarmackers going down on the roads on this new development any day.
Wow.
And again, it's Sunday, and they're still working away.
Wow, there's a bulldozer there. Let's not drive into him.
They really are cracking on with it.
You can see it that well, but this is the new bit. This is impressive.
All these mounds that you see, Nigel, they're all staying, they're all being grassed, they're all being planted, there'll be some trees on top of it. They're really private, really lovely looking area. Primrose Way, well, nice name, isn't it?
It's flying along, isn't it? Primrose Way, who called it that then? That was like one of my TikToks, guys. Follow me on TikTok, Nigel Bambi Edwards, guys. I've got nearly 300,000 followers on there. We do lots of specials on there, like weekend breaks, anything you want to know about holidays, touring, statics. Ask the question and I'll get Simon to answer it. Oh, you got a fishing lake as well.
Yeah, we have.
Have you got any marlin in there?
I think Moby's in there.
Moby, you in there?
You got carp in there, there's roach, rudd, tench, bream.
Wow, it's not very busy today.
Yeah, I mean, we
So
are.
you got fishing, golf,
The golf course is fantastic, Nigel. 18 holes.
and you've got a fun fair.
And we've got the water park complex,
Oh, that's the biggest in Somerset, isn't it?
without a doubt. Without, maybe even further afield. It's got spa, it's got the sauna, the steam room, gym.
Got party rooms for kids, haven't they?
I think there's 5 party rooms for kids, mate. If you're down on a holiday and it's a kid's birthday, if you need a magician, we can make it happen for you. Do you know what I mean? Come down, book a party room. Make it special for
Is
little
that
ones.
pitch there for sale?
That pitch sold.
Oh God,
And we got a van moving in there. Well, they're putting the van on there tomorrow, actually.
there's not many pitches left. I see there's a few lodges about here, Simon.
Yeah.
Can you buy a lodge as well, or do they rent out, or are they private? Yeah, all private.
What, across the way there?
They're all private.
That's the country club.
Oh. These old people here enjoying themselves on a Sunday, washing the car,
That's what it's all about.
washing the van. Hello.
Right. Nice size there in the corner.
Look at that size of that one, mate. That's got aircon in it. Never seen a Caravan with aircon. Look at this beautiful park, guys. This is the Unity Farm, Somerset. Hey, make sure you subscribe, will you? Because I've got some nice videos going on of Weston-super-Mare, Burnham-on-Sea. Oh, and I'm going to America next week. I'm going to do some videos for you. I'm going to Fort Lauderdale, mate.
That's exciting, mate.
Yeah, I'm going because somebody wants me to do some videos of golf courses. What do you think?
I think that sounds like an impressive life, mate.
Well, not really that impressive. It's stressful travelling, you know. I travelled around Asia for 8 months taking videos. Stayed in Cambodia for a month free of charge in the Naga world. So I'm quite lucky.
Yeah,
Look at
really
that. This is the
lucky.
other side of it, look. Make sure you contact Simon. That's Simon there. What's your phone number, son?
It's 07973 620 351. And before we know it, Nigel, this is going to be complete and our first guests are going to be moving in. That's exciting.
When do you think this will be finished?
Easter,
Easter.
it's on target. The
Wow.
guys are 7 days a week, 7 a.m. until dusk.
They are grafters, these boys.
Yeah,
aren't
they are. Yeah,
I hear them because my lodge is over there by the other lake, and I hear them start the diggers up at 7 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, they're just doing the final compaction now on the roads, ready for tarmac.
Yeah, they look like they're putting the topsoil ready down for turfing.
Absolutely. Absolutely, mate.
This is a nice van here, Moselle Swift. Have we got minivans for sale? You said you haven't got many pictures, but have you got a choice of vans? Can they have a choice?
There's not a huge choice. Demand is high, mate, but there's a number of. We've probably got, I don't know, half a dozen new,
Well,
maybe the same used.
Can we drive past the ones you got for sale?
Yeah, of course we can.
Just to give them a bit of insight.
Of course we can.
Simon's got TikTok as well. He put it in the comments below. So this one's for sale. This is beautiful. Victory Lakewood.
It's a big boy, that one, Nigel. 42 by 14.
That's residential spec, is it?
It is, mate. And once you've got a nice wraparound deck on there, it'll be beautiful.
Have you got a pitch big enough for that?
We'll find a pitch big enough for it. The new Primrose Way will accommodate that beautifully.
Wow, this looks nice. This wasn't here last year.
Mate, we're all set to go. Stall set out.
When did you put these flags up?
I think they went up at the weekend. It's been windy over the winter, but now's the right time to get them up. And they look great, don't they?
What's the score with this decking then? Who do we hook up for decking? Just you can sort that, yeah, in the price and do a deal?
Talk to us. There's a couple of companies on site that can do decking for you. We'd put you in touch. We'd make it happen for you. Some of the used vans,
That's a big one there.
another Lakewood there, same size, 42 by 14.
They'll have to go on the new bit, will they?
Yeah, we'd like to make sure that all the customers on the new area have great looking vans for a great looking area.
Wow.
Yeah, some of our used vans, Nigel, have got decking on them.
Are they?
Yeah, and we'll talk to you about leaving that there.
So you sell used ones? Will it come in this holiday home ownership centre, yeah?
Yeah,
Ask
come
for
and
you,
see us
yeah?
down here. Ask for me. What I'd like to do before we do anything with vans is show you around.